guys, this is Monty again from Chehalis I-5 Dodge. I want to go over some SiriusXM features with you, which is definitely one of my favorite things about these vehicles, because whether you like rock and roll, metal, country, old school blues, talk radio, Howard Stern, whatever that you like to listen to, all your sports station, you can get all that from your XM radio here. So right now, it's going to flip you on. You got your sections of rock and roll, you got your sections of country, and all that stuff. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and do some Hair Nation. And then right now, if you want to store it, up to 12 presets for each FM, AM, and Sirius radio. You're going to hit, you're going to hold. Now you got your Hair Nation right there. Not sure everybody loves that, but I do. But let's go ahead. If you like Bruce Springsteen, same thing. You're going to get music based off of his genre, and mostly they're going to be playing the title artist, but you're going to get a lot of music that's similar to that era. Again, if I want to come up here, store it right there, and then you got your E Street right there, your Bruce Springsteen. You can add your favorites. You can always bring your map up at any time too while you're listening to it if you want to know where you're going. Just hit that button to take that off. Again, you got your sports radio too. There is a big list and a big pamphlet that they provide for you that has all your stations. Then you can just do your presets, figure out what you like. Got your politics, entertainment, and talk radio. One of my favorite things.